I like to help you to choose your kimchi. I'm gonna go with I have 3 different kinds of kimchi, and I like to know what tastes the best. So we've got 풀무원, 종가, 비비고 kimchi. One of the top selling kimchi in Korea and also outside of Korea. When I asked ChatGPT, there were a few more kimchi brands that I couldn't find here. So first we have 풀무원 kimchi, 종가. I usually make kimchi at home. Sometimes I buy them when I'm busy. And I have to say, produced kimchi or factory-made kimchi, I can say, they got better. They used to be like very bad when I was young, when I was a kid. Now, they look good, they taste good, and the price-wise, considering all the effort and all the time and energy that kimchi requires you to have, it's not bad. This is 비비고, 종가, 풀무원. This 종가 kimchi, in terms of color, it looks amazing. Because when we think about napa cabbage kimchi, we think of the red, the passionate color, 비비고 kimchi. You know, kimchi always makes this kind of sound because the fermentation is still ongoing. In one word, clean, basic, classic. Okay, second one, 종가 kimchi. I honestly thought they might taste similar, but even from now, I can feel they're totally different. They look the same, but they taste different. Jeolla province is southwest in South Korea, and they're known for having the best kimchi in this country because they're stronger, they put more spices, they put more fish sauces and everything. This reminds me of that region. Passionate, authentic. Sorry, you know, if you ever watched my previous videos, you might have noticed that I'm not a native speaker for sure. I make tons of thousands of mistakes whenever I make videos like this. So you gotta write down, oh, in English you have to say something like this, not like that. So you can correct my English. This has more of an anchovy flavor. This kimchi is somewhere in between 풀무원 and 종가. So it's still very refreshing and clean, but at the same time it still got the fishiness. Let me try it again. It definitely is the strongest flavor, but doesn't mean that it's spicy. I think the companies, they like everybody to enjoy their kimchi, so they don't make it too spicy. And considering that the color is quite overwhelming, you know, when it comes to the look, the appearance of kimchi, it's not that spicy. Okay, bibigo kimchi again. Interesting thing about trying kimchi is depending on what part of the cabbage, napa cabbage, you eat makes totally different flavor as well. Now I feel more of ginger, garlicky flavor from the piece, but I'll try another piece. In this case, I need my finger. I don't want to make my decision in a hurry. I'm gonna try these guys one more time and give you the answer. I'm gonna go with kimchi. This one, to me, very refreshing, but a little bit boring. Do I want to make kimchi jjigae or do I want to make kimchi pancake using this kimchi? Absolutely not. Wow, it's really hard to tell the difference between 3 different kinds of kimchi. I didn't know that. The reason why I chose kimchi is because it got the strong flavor, the passionate taste that I wanted to have from my napa kimchi. And this is the best. It's gonna become even better later on, so I can make kimchi jjigae, kimchi soup, or kimchi dumpling, or kimchi pancake, or kimchi noodle. That was it, 종갓김치